I guess over the weekend, Chris heard a loud bang and a funky smell. He couldn't figure out what it is. Well, I was over here today trying to mess around with his starter, and look at this shit. The bottom of the solenoid exploded off the bottom. Here's the starter power wire. Look, you can see it's all fucked up. Somehow, it got hot and popped. Look at that shit. Blew the housing right apart. Speak of the devil. Boom. Look at that. We got a starter. Let's throw this thing back together real quick. Alright, new starter. Got the throttle body clean.